pushed out. There's a big gap. There's literally a big gap in this thing. I can literally stick my finger in here. Welcome to Picking and Punching. I am the Scoundrel Rob Grimes. I'm an independent professional wrestler, also modern day treasure hunter. Today, we got back another order from CGC, and we're gonna open it up. I think there's 17 books in here, so I'm not gonna, I'll separate in two separate videos so we don't take up too much time here and make it a long drawn out video. But let's jump into this. Now, this order, if I'm not mistaken, was all custom labels. When I first started sending stuff in last year, I think I submitted this order back in April, right before CGC raised their prices. So they actually didn't check it in, I think, till like June. So there's 17 books there, and in the very beginning I was on, a big custom label kick. So all these books I think have custom labels to them. So let's go through. Now, what I'll do here is I'll show you guys first so you can see this. I had not looked at any of the grades, so I had no idea what's on here, so you guys get my natural reaction. I'll show you first, and in the bottom corner here, I'll keep a running tab of what the books are valued. We'll go from there. Now, right before they raised prices, I think they get graded. I got these graded and pressed, and I think it was maybe 26 bucks each, plus $5 for the custom label at the time. So, I don't know what's in here. I'm assuming it's gonna be like Spider-Man, Thor, X-Men maybe, I don't know. So we will see. All right. Damn box. All right. What we got here? Show you guys first. And what do we got? Okay. Amazing Spider-Man. What the hell? Dude, this thing is like pushed out. There's a big gap. There's literally a big gap in this thing. I can literally stick my finger in here. So this is Amazing Spider-Man 239, custom label, off white, a 9.4. But what the hell do they do? Look, I mean, it's like bowed out. I don't know if you guys can even see that here on the video. There's a big gap in there. And it looks like it's, like, I don't know if it got damaged in shipping. I mean, this box looks pushed in. I mean, there's like a giant gap here. You can push that in. What the hell? All right, I gotta contact them on that one. Well, this is off to one hell of a start, CGC. By the way, awesome custom label on top of the Hobgoblin. But I mean, it looks like I don't know. I don't know what the hell they did. Mix these up. I'm afraid they're all the same. What we got here? All right. Show you guys first. Grade we get. All right. Web of Spider-Man number 18. Where is Spider-Man? I actually love this cover. It's a 9.6. I love the New York custom tab. The custom label up top there. So. Black labels are so hard to get high grades on, man. The black label, there is one little spine tick there. Assuming there might be one on the back here, maybe. I don't know. But, I mean, there's maybe a little color rub there. But overall, that's a cool book. I sent this one in because I thought that it was a 9.8, or could be potentially 9.8. But 9.6, I'm not going to complain. I'm a huge Spider-Man fan, so a lot of the Spider-Man stuff's going to go in my personal collection. All right, what we got here? Show you guys first. And what we got here? Classic X-Men #1, white page. Why the hell did I send this one in? I don't know. I mean, the back's cool. This is really not worth much at all. I don't know why I sent this in. But a 9.4. Cool custom label at the top there. I don't know. I mean, this is the reprint series from 1986. There's a spine tick there. But has some fading on the cover. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, this is right in the beginning when I was sending stuff in. I don't know why I sent this in. Got 9.4, so let's see what else we got in here. All right. Show you guys first here. What do we get? The Mighty Thor, Peace Comes to Town. Number 371 has the Thor cover on there. Number 371, this is the first appearance of Justice Peace from the Time Variant Authority. I sent this one in because of the low-key show at the time, and I was hoping for a higher grade, to be honest with you. 9.4. I see the corners are a little nicked. All right, 9.4. All right, show you guys first. What do we get? Oh, wow. The Mighty Thor, number 390, Avengers Assemble. And that is a newsstand edition, a 9.8. Man. That is awesome. This is the first time that Captain America picks up Thor's hammer. So this is a 9.8 newsstand edition. I am extremely happy on that. It's so hard to get 9.8s newsstand. If you guys don't know, newsstand has the UPC code down in the bottom corner. And, you know, over the years, books on the shelf, not a comic book store, they're going to be a lot more wear and tear to them. So that is awesome. Man, that's got to be pretty valuable. So I am super happy about that one. All right, well, that makes up so far for the rest of this, what I've been getting in here so far. Here. All right, show you guys first. Web of Spider-Man number 36. It's a 9.6. Why did I send this one in? Oh, yeah, this is the first appearance of Tombstone, if now I remembered. I forgot in the custom labels they actually include what on the back what actually it is. So this is the first appearance of Tombstone, Web of Spider-Man, 9.6. I'm happy with that. All right, let's see what else we got here. All right, what do we get? Oh, Web of Spider-Man number 31. It's a newsstand, 9.8. So the reason why I sent this one in is because Craven actually makes an appearance in this. With Sony doing the new Craven movie coming out, I think next year. You know, you're going to see a big jump in all his books. So this is a 9.8 newsstand with the custom label. I am super excited and super happy with that. Man, that's great. All right, we'll do one more. All right, what do we got in this one here? All right. Show you guys first. What do we get? Oh, Thor, the Mighty Thor, number 364. Thor becomes a frog. And there's frog on the front of it there. That is awesome with the custom label. I am a huge fan, a huge mark for this right here. Frog turned into a Thor. Frog. That is awesome. All right, man. Finishing strong there. Super happy with that. So, I mean, 9.8. Thor, Weber Spider-Man, 9.8. You got the 9.6, first appearance of Tombstone. The Mighty Thor Assemble. I mean, this one is a 9.8. What a banger that is. A newsstand. I mean, that's got to be $400 or $500 book at least. So I am super happy about that. And then these first ones here. You know, I was hoping for a higher one on this one, but I get 9.4. This one, why'd I send it in? Web of Spider-Man 9.6, and then this one that is completely jacked up. Damn it, CGC. I wonder if this was damaged in shipping, because this should not be like this. I can literally stick my finger in that hole. So, oh well. What are you gonna do? You can't win them all. You know, when you send in so much stuff, to CGC, you're bound to have some issues there. So it is what it is, part of the game. Guys, please let me know down in the comments below what your favorite book was in this box. We're gonna do a part 2 to this video here, so I'll make sure not to keep it too long. Check out my last CGC unboxings. I'll put a link to the video here. Until next time, guys.